granting more attempts. By default, a student gets 3 attempts to complete each section of the ePACE, except for the final test, where he is granted only 1 attempt. If, after a 3rd attempt, the student still has incorrect answers, the supervisor who assigned the ePACE to the student receives a dashboard notification with 2 links. Please note, if this notification no longer appears on the dashboard, it has probably been pushed down the notification list. Click on See All to find it in the notification history. The first link, Review Most Recent Attempts, directs you to the specific section of the ePACE in order to review the student's answers. You may choose to change how the points are awarded. You can also navigate to the student's attempt by using the ePACE Progress button. The second link in the notification, Grant Unlimited Attempts, allows you to grant immediate access to unlimited scoring attempts so the student has more opportunity to get the answers correct. If you do not wish to grant unlimited attempts, you can choose to add a single attempt opportunity. To do that, click on ePACE Progress, select the student, and navigate to the correct section. Then select the box to the left of the student's most recent attempt and click the yellow button, Increase Student Attempt by 1. Have the student attempt that section of the ePACE again.